Our 4 horsepower walk-in refrigerator or freezer cooling system. First off, the overall dimensions. For the condensing system, we have 37.5 inches in length, 14 inches in depth, overall height of 34 inches tall. On the side of the condensing system will be the technical specifications, along with 2 gauges and the valve to run and operate this condenser. Coming to the bottom side here, we have the compressor along with the reset and the breakers to go along with it. Included will be the thermal expansion valve along with a breaker box with the compressor, defrost, and functions to run and operate this unit. Coming into the inside will also be a breaker box to wire and hook up the system. Coming here will be the actual cooling fans with the actual unit itself measuring 57.5 inches in length, 11 inches in depth, by 22 inches in height. Being a split system, this unit can be used for our walk-in freezers and refrigerators that we sell through our website. Coming to the bottom will also be specs and information for this fan itself and hookups that's required and necessary for this entire system. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.